In rural Australia, finding love is often a daunting challenge for many. Howdy redefines this experience, transforming connections for those in agriculture. Founded in 2023 by Mia Ryan, Howdy was born from a personal struggle to find love. Generic dating apps simply didn't cater to the unique rural lifestyle. With over 1,000 downloads, Howdy quickly gained traction among farmers looking for compatible partners. Its focus on rural relationships sets it apart in the dating landscape. The team recognized that a robust chat feature was essential for building meaningful connections. Effective communication would become the heart of Howdy's matchmaking success. However, with a tight launch schedule, creating a chat function from scratch proved challenging. The need for quick implementation without sacrificing quality became evident. After evaluating numerous options, Howdy chose CometChat for its ready-made solutions. This strategic decision enabled them to speed up development while maintaining exceptional standards. Upon downloading the Howdy app, users embark on an onboarding journey tailored to their preferences. This process gathers crucial information that assists in matchmaking. Once users set up their profiles, they receive curated match recommendations based on their interests and desires. This creates an exciting opportunity for meaningful interactions. When a match occurs, the app presents an instant chat option, simplifying communication. Howdy's chat tab serves as a central hub for engaging conversations. With features like conversation starters, GIFs, and emojis, Howdy keeps chats lively and fun. Each interaction feels genuine and personal, enhancing connections effortlessly.